Welcome to day 28 of our 30-day meditation challenge. Today we'll be practicing resting in awareness. Go ahead and find that comfortable position for your practice today. You could be seated upright, you could be lying down, you could even be standing with your back supported against a wall. Finding a posture that allows you to remain alert, but also at ease in the body. Not too tight, not too loose, finding that middle ground. And I invite your eyes to close, or you can simply keep them a quarter of the way open, gazing down towards the floor in front of you. Soft, open gaze. And let's take an intentional, slow, deep breath in through the nostrils. And exhaling through the nostrils. Letting that breath just move in and out naturally. Just observing. Notice that awareness is already present. Nothing needs to be added. Nothing needs to be removed. We're just resting. Like the ocean who never leaves its bed in any case. Waves may rise. Waves may fall. But the ocean remains. So no matter what is happening on the surface of the ocean of our mind, remaining at rest in the oceanic-like space of awareness itself. If the mind wanders or becomes distracted, resting back into the awareness that knows what the mind is doing. That awareness that knows what is taking place in the body-mind. Rest in that field of knowing, fresh awareness. Noticing how the body feels now. Resting in awareness. Thank you for practicing with me on day 28 of our meditation challenge, and I do hope you'll practice with me again tomorrow. Namaste.